class, please send me the screenshot for your attendance. Okay. And regarding the PowerPoint, I will send in the group. So don't worry. I will, after this class, I will send in WhatsApp. Okay. So today I'll be starting with a topic that is Crohn's disease. Okay. So as you can see here, there are two images. One is Crohn's disease and the other is ulcerative colitis. Okay. Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis are almost similar. Okay. दोनों inflammation है, लेकिन the difference between the two is so much that you will identify which is Crohn's disease and which is ulcerative colitis. Okay. So I will emphasize, I will put more importance on the Crohn's disease क्योंकि ये हमारी main topic है. Okay. Next class I'll teach you about ulcerative colitis. So you can see the two pictures here. Okay. So you can see in Crohn's disease, patches में inflammation हो रहा है. You can see there are so many areas where there is inflammation, है ना? Different areas, at different specific site. ठीक है? तो there is inflammation here in the transverse colon, inflammation in the small intestine, ascending colon. ठीक है? There is inflammation there also. Then in the descending colon. Okay. Whereas in ulcerative colitis, you can see there is inflammation only on the large intestine. Okay, that is in the a little bit in the transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum. Okay, so these are the only areas where there is inflammation in ulcerative colitis. Okay, so let us see more in details about Crohn's disease. So Crohn's disease, it is an inflammatory bowel disease. Okay, inflammatory comes from the word inflammation. Okay, so when there is inflammation in the digestive tract, anywhere, small intestine में inflammation है या large intestine में inflammation है, then we can call it as Crohn's disease. Then it causes inflammation in the digestive tract. It can lead to abdominal pain. तो inflammation की वजह से patient can have pain, है ना? Infection और भी worst हो जाते हैं if you are not following the treatment. Okay, then patient can have severe diarrhea, fatigue, weakness. Patient can have weight loss and malnutrition. Okay, nutrients loss हो जाते हैं from the body. Then inflammation caused by Crohn's disease can involve different areas of the digestive tract in different people. ठीक है, तो ये मैंने बोला है कि in Crohn's disease, okay, so there are many areas where there is inflammation. ठीक है, सिर्फ एक ही कोलोन में inflammation नहीं होता, लेकिन हर areas में inflammation है. Small intestine में भी inflammation है, large intestine में भी inflammation. ठीक है, so it is mixed. Okay, so that is Crohn's disease. So here also you can see there is a picture. This is normal intestine. ठीक है, this is Crohn's disease. So in Crohn's disease you can see. Okay, so it is inflamed. Okay, walls thick हो जाते हैं. देखो ये जो wall है, ठीक है, the walls of the intestine, it is normal. Okay, whereas in Crohn's disease ये जो wall है ये बहुत ही मोटा हो जाते हैं. It is thick because of the infection. ठीक है, and also you can see here these are fats, yellow color, these are called fats. ठीक है, and also you can see there is a crack which is we call it as fissures. Okay, so I have taught you anal fissures also. So fissures, याद रखना, fissures are nothing but cracks. Okay, if there's any crack in the wall of the intestine, then that can lead to more infection. Okay, in the intestine. So this is the difference. Here you can see normal intestine and the other is Crohn's disease intestine. So is this clear with the introduction? किसी को doubt है यहाँ तक? Those who are joining late, any doubts you have? Hello, students, can you hear?
No, ma'am.
So here is also that same picture. Okay, Crohn's disease, you can see red color. These are the inflammation areas. ठीक है, तो inflammation हो रहा है many areas of the digestive tract. ठीक है, लेकिन ulcerative colitis में सिर्फ हमारी जो large intestines है, देखो ये है ascending colon, ये है transverse colon, ये है descending colon, फिर आते हैं sigmoid colon, फिर आते हैं rectum. ठीक है, तो अल्सरेटिव कोलाइटिस में इन्फ्लेमेशन हो रहा है सिर्फ और सिर्फ लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. ठीक है, लेकिन क्रॉन्स डिजीज में इन्फ्लेमेशन इज टेकिंग प्लेस एनी एरियाज ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट. ठीक है, so inflammation caused by Crohn's disease spreads deep into the layers of the affected bowel tissue. ठीक है, तो जो Crohn's disease में अगर inflammation हो रहा है तो वो spread कर सकते हैं to all the areas. ठीक है, deep जा सकते हैं to the innermost layer and to the outermost layer of the intestine. ठीक है, तो ये deep जा सकते हैं. It can extend to the deep areas. Crohn's disease can be both painful and debilitating and sometimes leads to life-threatening complications. ठीक है, तो अगर inflammation को हम control नहीं कर रहे हैं तो it can cause complications and can lead to death. Then here is a difference between ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. ठीक है, तो पहले हम देखेंगे ulcerative colitis. ठीक है, so ulcerative colitis begins in the rectum. तो कहाँ से शुरू होता है? rectum से. ठीक है, फिर यहाँ से rectum से जो inflammation है, infection है, वो spread हो जाते हैं to the large intestine, to the descending colon, to transverse colon and to the ascending colon. ठीक है, so याद रखना ulcerative colitis inflammation कहाँ से शुरू होता है? रेक्टम से शुरू होता है, फिर वहां से स्प्रेड हो जाते हैं टू दी अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कोलन. देन अल्सरेटिव कोलाइटिस अफेक्ट्स ओनली द इनर लेयर ऑफ द बाउल वॉल. सिर्फ अंदर वाला लेयर है, सबसे इनर लेयर, सबसे अंदर वाला पोर्शन. ठीक है, सिर्फ वहां पे इन्फेक्शन स्टार्ट मतलब वहां पे होता है इन्फ्लेमेशन. ठीक है, सो इट अफेक्ट्स ओनली दी इनर लेयर, सबसे अंदर वाला लेयर है, सिर्फ वहां पे इन्फ्लेमेशन होता है. Whereas in Crohn's disease it affects all layers. ठीक है, all the layers of the intestine it is being inflamed. ठीक है, so you can see the difference, the picture also. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा this is only the inner layers affected. Whereas in Crohn's disease, inner layer भी affected है, middle layer भी affected है, and outer layer भी. ठीक है. Then Crohn's disease most commonly involves end of small intestine. ठीक है, the end of small intestine is ileum, है ना. तो ileum से शुरू होता है, फिर and the beginning of the colon. So from the ileum, then it can spread to the colon also, then it can spread to the jejunum. ठीक है, duodenum, jejunum, ileum and also the colon. So ऐसे specific regions में inflammation हो रहा है. ठीक है, so it can affect any part of the GI tract in a patchy pattern. ठीक है, patches में inflammation हो रहा है, मतलब सिर्फ एक जगह में नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन there are many areas or many parts where there is inflammation. Okay, so this is the difference between these two. Is this clear? Anybody has any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the symptoms, okay, of Crohn's disease? So number one, the most common areas affected by Crohn's disease, they are the last part of the intestine, the ileum and the colon. Sign and symptoms can range from mild symptoms हो सकते हैं, and it can range to severe symptoms. ठीक है, so they usually develop gradually, धीरे धीरे symptoms शुरू मतलब the symptoms will show on the patient's body and it will come suddenly without warning. Sometimes gradually symptoms शो हो जाएगा और sometimes क्या होता है एकदम से symptoms शो हो जाते हैं, एकदम से पेन हो जाते हैं, एकदम से infection की जो sinus symptoms है वो शो हो जाएगा. Then patient may also have periods of time when he may have no symptoms. Okay, तो asymptomatic. ठीक है, so sometimes patient can have asymptomatic, no symptoms at all. लेकिन जब diagnose करते, जब test करवाते हैं तो it is confirmed कि patient is having Crohn's disease. Then okay, so these are the symptoms based on the systems of the body. पहले तो eye. Okay, so there can be inflammation in the eye. In the mouth there can be ulcers. Within the skin there can be ulcers and pressure sores. ठीक है, stomach में vomiting. ठीक है, फिर fever हो सकता है, weight loss हो सकता है, decreased appetite because of vomiting. Then in the joints there can be joint pain, swelling in the joints, edema हो सकता है joints में. फिर rectal bleeding. ठीक है, so if there is inflammation in the rectum, then the inner layer is affected, damage हो सकता है, injury हो सकता है, तो उसकी वजह से bleeding हो सकता है. Then in the intestinal area, patient can have diarrhea, abdominal pain, cramps, ulcers in the digestive tract. And in the liver and bile duct, there is inflammation. So they can not only in the digestive tract, the infection can spread. Okay, inflammation will also happen in liver and bile duct. And in the mouth, patient can have stomatitis, that is inflammation of the oral cavity. Okay, so these are the signs and symptoms of Crohn's disease. What is the causes? The exact cause is idiopathic. ठीक है, idiopathic का मतलब है no cause. Okay, not known. The cause is not known or the cause is unknown. ठीक है, we do not know कि क्यों होता है Crohn's disease. Okay, so we call it as idiopathic. Then the previously diet and stress were suspected, but these factors aggravate the symptoms but do not cause the Crohn's disease. So there can be risk factors. ठीक है, risk factors like diet. ठीक है, eating junk food, eating spicy food, ठीक है, eating oily fatty foods and taking too much of stress. जब stress ज़्यादा लेते हो तो क्या secrete हो जाते हैं? HCl. ठीक है, HCl as hydrochloric acid ज़्यादा secrete हो जाते हैं in the stomach, so that can lead to ulcers and it can inflame the intestines. Then low immune system. When your immune system is very low, ठीक है, क्या हो जाते हैं हमारी antibodies, they are not able to fight or they are not able to attack the antigen. ठीक है, तो because of your low immune system, low immunity के वजह से your body is not fighting against the bacteria or the virus. So that also can patient can have Crohn's disease because of low immunity, and also it can the risk factor can be hereditary. Then also another risk factor is age. Okay, so it can occur at any age. Okay, it can be in elderly, or it can be in adulthood, or it can be in the teenager group. Then cigarette smoking is also another risk factor for Crohn's disease, and also NSAIDs. Okay, like I said yesterday, injection Voveron, injection diclofenac sodium, tablet Brufen, tablet aspirin, ये सारा NSAIDs है. ठीक है, so if patients are taking too much of NSAIDs, क्या form हो जाते हैं? Ulcers, है ना, peptic ulcers. So if there is ulcers, so naturally inflammation हो जाते हैं. So there can be inflammation in the bowels. Okay. Then coming to the diagnostic test. Okay, so first, if there is any infection in the body, पहले क्या करना है? CBC test. ठीक है, so by doing a CBC test, we will know what is the patient's hemoglobin. ठीक है, TLC count क्या है, WBC count क्या है, platelet count क्या है. ठीक है, so we have to do a blood test. Then fecal occult blood test. ठीक है, stool test also we can perform. कोलोनोस्कोपी, ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल्सो अनदर टेक्निक लाइक एंडोस्कोपी, ठीक है, लेकिन कोलोनोस्कोपी में वी आर इंसर्टिंग द इंस्ट्रूमेंट फ्रॉम द रेक्टम, ठीक है, सो फ्रॉम द रेक्टम इट विल गो टू द colons, to the large intestine. So by doing this test we can identify, we can see the image of the colon, ठीक है, फिर हम कंफर्म कर सकते हैं कि हाँ वहाँ पे इन्फ्लेमेशन है. Then we can also perform a CT scan test, MRI, and also endoscopy. Endoscopy is for upper GI tract. Okay, if you want to check for the esophagus, we want to check for the stomach, we want to check for the duodenum. Okay, so we can do endoscopy also. So these are the diagnostic tests for Crohn's disease. So any doubts still here? किसी को डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now coming to the treatment. So whenever there is inflammation, whenever there is infection, याद रखना, first of all we can give patients anti-inflammatory agent, है ना? Anti-inflammatory agent we can give corticosteroids, ठीक है? Corticosteroids injections क्या करते हैं? ये inflammation को reduce करते हैं, ठीक है? So we can give corticosteroid injections. Okay, like example injection efcorlin, ठीक है, injection prednisolone, these are corticosteroid or anti-inflammatory agent. Number 2, we have to improve our immune system, है ना? Immune system depressor, so methotrexate. Then antibiotics because of infection, we can give injection ciprofloxacin, injection metrogyl, ठीक है. पेशेंट को abdominal pain है, cramps हो रहा है, so we can give some pain reliever like acetaminophen. Then iron supplements, ठीक है, ये immune system को improve करने के लिए हम iron supplements देंगे, injection ferrous sulfate और tablet ferrous sulfate, ठीक है. Then we can give vitamin B12 tablets also, ठीक है, और injections. Then we can give calcium supplements, ठीक है, there is shell cal tablet और vitamin D supplements. Vitamin D sachets आते हैं powder form, we can mix with milk or we can mix with water, ठीक है, और vitamin D वो भी आते हैं, vitamin D capsules, ठीक है. So these are some of the medication for Crohn's disease, okay, for reducing the inflammation of the digestive tract. Then we have to change the diet because diet is one of the risk factor for Crohn's disease, ठीक है. तो जो भी people who are addicted to salty food, people who are addicted to spicy food, oily food, है ना, fatty foods, तो उनकी जो डाइट है वो चेंज करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. Then we can give the patient low residue, low fiber diet to reduce the risk of intestinal blockage. So we can give low fiber diet to the patient. Then we have to change their diet also by giving low fat diet, no oily food, no butter, ठीक है, avoid oil, avoid ghee, ठीक है. So we have to avoid animal products also, okay. Then limit dairy products, okay, all the milk products we have to avoid it. Then spicy food stop करना है. Alcohol, avoid alcohol, avoid caffeine, okay, avoid beverages like Coca-Cola, Pepsi because they contain soda and caffeine also. तो ये सारा avoid करना है. And tell the patient to eat small meal, ठीक है. So don't tell the patient not to take a huge amount of meal but small, ठीक है, small amount of food many times in a day. Yes, so that is the best, you can say best method for increasing the weight of the patient. Okay, so these are the dietary therapy or dietary modification we have to change for a patient who is suffering from Crohn's disease. Is this clear with everyone? यहाँ तक किसी को doubt है?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then also we tell the patient to drink lots of water. Okay, lots of fluids, lots of water. Okay, tell the patient to drink fresh juice. Okay, fresh juice पीना है. ठीक है, tell the patient to drink lots of water. Tell the patient to drink, ORS. Okay, if patient is having continuously diarrhea, then we can give ORS to the patient. Okay, what is the best? Alcohol and beverages that contain caffeine should be avoided. Okay, and avoid soda because it produces gas. Then consider multivitamins. ठीक है, A to Z multivitamins भी आते हैं, capsule. There's so many multivitamins now in the pharmacy, so we can suggest for multivitamins so that their immune system will be improved. Okay, or surgery. If there is a fistula, then we can drain the abscess. Okay, so this is the only surgical management. Lifestyle changes. Smoking avoid करना है, alcohol avoid करना है. Tell the patient to perform exercise. Okay, provide rest to the patient. If patient is having abdominal pain, cramps हो रहा है तो give proper bed rest to the patient. ठीक है. So these are some of the lifestyle changes. And complications, very important. Okay, so the complications of Crohn's disease, because there is inflammation, there is infection, so there can be bowel obstruction. ठीक है, तो क्या हो जाते हैं जब इन्फ्लेमेशन हो जाते हैं हमारी कोलोन में. ठीक है, कैन बी असेंडिंग कोलोन और इट कैन बी इन दी डिसेंडिंग कोलोन और इट कैन बी इन दी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. ठीक है, जहाँ पे भी इन्फ्लेमेशन है, ठीक है, वो जो वॉल है, इंटेस्टिनल वॉल है, वो थिक, मोटा हो जाते हैं. इट बिकम्स वेरी थिक. ठीक है, सो व्हेन द वॉल ऑफ द इंटेस्टाइन बिकम्स थिक, तो इट कॉजेस ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन, कंजेस्शन हो जाएगा वहाँ पे. तो फूड इज, द डाइजेस्टेड फूड इज नॉट एबल टू फ्लो प्रॉपर्ली इन द इंटेस्टाइन. ओके, इट इज नॉट एबल टू फ्लो प्रॉपर्ली इन द कोलन. ठीक है, तो ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन हो जाते हैं वहाँ पे क्योंकि जो वॉल्स हैं वो मोटा हो रहा है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज बाउल ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन. So this is one of the complications of Crohn's disease. Then number 2, ulcers. Okay, so if if you are taking too much of stress, ठीक है, HCl or HCl acid और secrete हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, so what happens is there can be ulcers in the colon or ulcers in the small intestine. Then there can be fistulas, any abnormal passage. ठीक है, there can be fissures, anal fissures, cracks. Okay, then patient can because of excessive diarrhea, vomiting, ठीक है, और abdominal pain. ठीक है, so क्या हो जाते हैं, patient is not able to जो भी nutrients है body में वो सारा loss हो जाते हैं. So patient is malnutrition. ठीक है, proteins loss हो रहा है. ठीक है, carbohydrates, proteins, all these important nutrients, they are lost from the body. ठीक है, so what happens is the patient is weak. ठीक है, immune system weak हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, patient fatigue हो जाते हैं, weak हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, so patient can go under malnutrition. ठीक है, there are no proper nutrients in the body. And last is it can lead to colon cancer. Okay, so these are the complications of Crohn's disease. Okay, so any doubts with the complications?
मैम.
हेलो, हाँ जी बोलिए.
यस मैम, ये फिस्टुला और एनल फिशर जो ये बता दीजिए मैम, ये क्या होता है?
फिस्टुला का मतलब abnormal passage. ठीक है, मतलब फ्रॉम दी, मान लो कोलोन में इन्फ्लेमेशन हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो when there is inflammation in the colon, ठीक है, तो ये जो walls है, ये जो layers है, colon की जो layers हैं वो inflamed हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, पूरा inflamed हो जाते हैं, तो फिर एक there can be another passage, एक अलग सा रास्ता formed हो जाते हैं which will go into the out to the parts of the into the peritoneum. ठीक है, तो फिर वहां से वो जो डाइजेस्टेड फूड है उस अबनॉर्मल पैसेज या जो अलग सा रास्ता बन गया है वहां से digested food will go into the peritoneum. So fistula is abnormal passage. ठीक है, अलग से ही रास्ता बन जाते हैं. That is fistula. आई समझ?
यस मैम. और मैम ये
ठीक है.
एनल फिशर.
एनल फिस्टुला, एनल फिस्टुला का मतलब है क्रैक्स. ठीक है, तो क्या हो जाते हैं व्हेन देयर इज टू मच ऑफ इन्फेक्शन एंड इन्फ्लेमेशन इन दी कोलन. ठीक है, तो क्या हो जाते हैं, जो हमारी कोलन की वॉल्स है वो मोटा हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, सो आई हैव अ पिक्चर हियर. सो जब वॉल्स मोटा हो जाते हैं, दे बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सेसिव प्रेशर दे कैन बी क्रैक्स. ये देखो, ये पिक्चर दिख रहा है, यू कैन सी दिस फोटो.
नो
बाला
मैम.
नहीं दिख रहा है. ओके, सो इन द फर्स्ट, देखो इन द पावर पॉइंट द फर्स्ट पिक्चर. ठीक है, ये जो फर्स्ट स्लाइड है, ठीक है, एक छोटा सा पिक्चर है ऑन द राइट साइड. ठीक है, एक नॉर्मल इंटेस्टाइन है और एक क्रॉन्स डिजीज वाला पिक्चर है. ठीक है, तो वहां से यू कैन सी अ स्मॉल क्रैक. ठीक है, तो जब whenever there is infection, when there is inflammation in the colon, ठीक है, ये जो कोलन की वॉल है, ठीक है, वो और मोटा हो जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ इन्फेक्शन, बिकॉज ऑफ इन्फ्लामेशन. ठीक है, तो जब ये वॉल्स मोटा हो जाते हैं तो इट कैन बी क्रैक. ठीक है, प्रेशर ज्यादा हो रहा है अंदर, तो उसकी वजह से क्रैक फॉर्मेशन हो सकता है. तो जो क्रैक है, ठीक है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फिशर्स. आई समझ? हाँ.
थैंक यू मैम. यस.
ओके, सो एनल फिशर का मतलब है क्रैक्स इन दी एनस. ठीक है, पहले क्या आते हैं, रेक्टम, फिर आते हैं एनस, है ना. सो क्या हो जाते हैं, समटाइम्स देयर इज इन्फ्लेमेशन इन दी रेक्टम. ठीक है, तो रेक्टम में इन्फ्लेमेशन हो रहा है, तो वहां पे प्रेशर ज्यादा हो रहा है. ये जो वॉल्स हैं, इंटेस्टाइनल वॉल्स, वो और मोटा हो जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ इन्फ्लेमेशन. ठीक है, तो वहां से क्रैक्स फॉर्मेशन हो जाते हैं इन दी एनस. ठीक है, सो देयर कैन बी क्रैक्स इन दी एनस, दैट इज कॉल्ड एनल फिशर. इज दिस क्लियर?
यस मैम.
Okay. ठीक है. Anybody has any
Thank you,
doubts
ma'am.
other than this? It's okay. Anybody has any doubts or any issues with this topic?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So send me the screenshot of the attendance so that I will mark your attendance, and I will send the PowerPoint in the group. Okay. So